Wait guys, I'm still alive. So I will be describing each and every situation, that how we saved ourselves from that drowning. So don't worry, stay tuned. I will describe each and every scenario, what happened and how we booked for rafting. So yeah, let's get started.
I am fed up with this boring and monotonous life. I want to do something adventurous. What should I do? Let me Google something interesting that I can do. River rafting? Yeah, it's a great idea. I can go for river rafting. Rishikesh! River rafting, wow, oh my god.
As you saw that I thought to do something adventurous, so I planned to go Rishikesh for rafting. I went for river rafting on 26th of September. I know it's so late I'm uploading this video because I didn't get time to edit the video. No worries, I'm uploading it now. So yeah, it will be very interesting. Before getting started to the rafting, I would like to give a brief that how we went and where we stayed. So we went Rishikesh from Delhi via bus. I went with my friends, so we stayed in a hotel called Ghost Stops. Ghost Stops is a kind of hotel where you can find private deluxe rooms and also you can find dormitories. So dormitories are very nice if you go with a group. You will find many beds in one room. You will get the hostel vibes. So yeah, that's very nice. And also you can go for a deluxe room in Ghost Stops, or there are many more hotels and many more such kind of place to stay. So you can go stay anywhere. I would like to give honest review on Ghost Stops that it was 4 out of 5. It was pretty nice, but the room was small as we took private room for 2 in 1 room. So yeah, my personal review will be that if you stay in Ghost Stop or hostel kind of place, you can go for dormitories, not private room, because rooms are small. If you stay in private room, then it's better that you stay in any other hotels. So yeah, it was a nice place. We had gaming zone and many more cafeterias and very nice. It was nice. I will show some pictures of that.
So first we went to meet our friends. So we met our friends and then we went for Rishikesh. You can see the view on the way to Rishikesh from Delhi. So we reached. Now we are going to our hotel, that is Ghost Stops. These are few pictures of Ghost Stops, Tapovan, Rishikesh, where we stayed.
Coming to the rafting point, in the hotel itself, we found an agent of Great Chilies who came in the hotel. He was just talking with the hotel owner. Then we found him and he asked us that whether you want to go for river rafting. So we said that yeah, we were planning for river rafting, so what's the price and all. So he said that it's 1000 rupees. So we said it's too much. We found that in YouTube that you can go for river rafting for 300 or 500 rupees. So he said that no, it includes pick and drop also. So we thought that okay. We thought that okay. Pick and drop is included and it's fine, and he said that it will be having a rescue team, and trust me guys, rescue team was very nice. I mean, we saved our life because of that only.
Next we got ready for river rafting. The timing was 9 AM. We went for river rafting.
Firstly, within 1000 rupees. It included pick and drop also, so it was a nice package, and also there was rescue team, so we went for it. Coming to the rafting point, we booked the slot for 9 a.m. First Bolero came and picked us from our hotel, and it took to the rafting location. It was a 16 kilometers rafting. So after that, we saw the water. It was so amazing, and then we were given training on rafting, that how can you rescue yourself, how to paddle, how to move and all. But initially they gave a long training on how to rescue yourself. So if you fall from the boat, or if the boat turns, then how can you rescue yourself? So these were some circumstances they explained, and then we signed a bond that whether you go with any rafting people, you have to sign that bond that अगर मेरी जान गई तो इसके लिए सिर्फ मैं जिम्मेदार हूँ और कोई नहीं है. So that was a bond. अगर मेरी जान गई तो इसके लिए सिर्फ मैं जिम्मेदार हूँ और कोई नहीं. So we signed it, and then we got our life jackets, which was so cool, and a helmet, and we got our paddle. So yeah, then we got started. So we were in total 24 people. So they divided us into group of 8. So there were 3 teams. In my team there were 8 people, including me. We were 4 boys and 4 girls. It was equally balanced, and yeah, there was one rescue team, a small boat. Whenever any such circumstances come, that any such accident occurs, the rescue team will help. So for that, a rescue team was there. So after that, we went for rafting. We walked to the water from that road to water, and we went to the water side. We saw our boat, and then we went into the boat. I got a trainer who is very nice. He taught everything so well. He took again our training. He explained everything, that how can you rescue well. So my trainer's name was Balan. So yeah, thank you, Balan. So after that, we went into the water. The boat was so cool, and yeah, I got a seat on back side, and my friend Rakshanda, I went with my friend Rakshanda, so she got a bit far seat, I mean 2-3 people before me. So yeah, we sat, and then he taught us how to paddle. So there was paddle forward and paddle backward thing. 2 things was there. When you paddle forward, your boat will move forward, and when you paddle backward, that means, when you drive a car, you just say ki back karo, car ko ghumao. So yeah, that kind of thing for paddle backward. So then he taught us in water side, I mean not into so much deep water. So in that area he taught. You can see some clip.
Paddle forward, forward, front to back. उल्टा कर रहे मैम आप, आगे से पीछे. Forward. Stop. Paddle forward. Stop. Cross में इसके सामने देखो, देखिए बैठे. ठीक है? आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे. Forward means आगे से पीछे, backward पीछे से आगे. क्लियर? ओके, paddle forward. एक साथ. स्टॉप. थोड़ा बाहर ये वाला आर्म जब पैडल फॉरवर्ड करेंगे तो सीधा जाएगा ऐसे. ये वाला ऐसे पकड़ो आप. हाँ, इनको फॉलो करना है. ठीक है, आप थोड़ा बाहर पैडल फॉरवर्ड. सीधा करो आर्म, सीधा करो. ये और जोर से. गो फास्टर. गेट डाउन. गेट बैक. ऑल बैक पैडल. स्टॉप. गुड. पैडल फॉरवर्ड. Forward. Stop.
So you can see how beautifully our trainer gave us instruction. We also struck to a rock, but still we saved ourselves. So yeah, the training was very good. The rafting was so amazing. You can see we are enjoying it. Oh, can you see the team spirit? Bang on, man.
Paddle forward. Stop.
soon a dangerous wave came. This is the moment we were about to drown, and we drowned. Okay, so I have fast forwarded this clip. We went into the water because our boat drowned completely. Basically हम सब बोट के साथ डूब चुके थे एंड खुद को बचाना बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था, बट हम लोगों ने साथ में टीम वर्क करके बोट को पैर से उल्टाया और ऊपर उठ के आए. That's me. I just came up and now Balan, my trainer, is trying to pull me up. And yay, I got rescued. धीरे धीरे सबको बचाया गया. कुछ लोग बोट के नीचे फंसे हुए थे तो कुछ लोग दूर गिर चुके थे, बट रेस्क्यू टीम ने सबको बचाया. That's why I would highly recommend you guys Red Chilli Adventures. और हम दोबारा धीरे धीरे चल पड़े पूरे जोश के साथ अपनी नाव को मंजिल तक पहुंचाने. So we went towards our destination. It was so much fun, guys. Again, one of our team member fell, but we rescued her. You can see how beautifully the trainer and we all rescued her. So you can see a man in blue boat. That is the rescue team. He is from rescue team. Whenever someone drowns or the boat drowns, the rescue team helps us to rescue. And many turnings were named as Clubhouse, Roller Coaster, Daredevils, and many more. So yeah, next is Clubhouse.
Stop. Forward. आगे देखिए. बाहर बैठो, बाहर डरो मत. Forward. Forward.
Few people fell many times. Our boat drowned. We got wet, but still the team spirit was still on, guys. It was real fun.
जंप कर सकते हैं अभी. आगे वालों ने जंप किया है. दोस्त के साथ देना है. एक बंदे ने किया हुआ है फ्रंट से. स्टॉप.
So what happens, there comes a point where they ask us to jump and enjoy the water. Of course their water level is a bit low, so they ask to jump and hold the rope and enjoy the water. You can see how beautiful the view is. There is bridge, small hills, beautiful rocks, and the wavy water. It's just awesome. Too much fun, guys.
3, 2, 1, jump. इधर आओ आप लोग. इधर आते जाओ. Yes guys, yes. Don't panic. Yes, relax. आप छोड़ दो ना. हाँ.
After drowning, I got water into my ears and I had breathing problems, so I didn't jump into water, but all the team members jumped into the water and I was enjoying the view.
सबके सब जाओ, रोप पे बहुत मजबूत रोप है, ऐसा नहीं है। तो रोप पकड़ना है ना सबने। हाँ, किसी को ऊपर आना है।
Now our 16-kilometer destination was about to end. We were coming towards the end line. It was a great experience. I loved it. You can see we are enjoying a lot.
So guys, that's all about my river rafting vlog. If you liked my video, then please hit the thumbs up button and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such contents. I have noticed that you guys watch my videos but do not subscribe to my YouTube channel, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Also comment below for any suggestions, any content suggestion, or which type of video you want to see. Also thanks for all the love and support. Love you all guys. Bye bye. Guys, one important thing, after watching my video, please do not panic to go for rafting. You may feel so scared after watching my video, but the one thing that I saved myself, the rescue team saved me. So guys, don't panic to go for rafting. It's really awesome. It's very adventurous. You will never forget such an experience. So once in your life you should go for river rafting. And अगर डूब गए तो rescue team है ना बचाने के लिए. So yeah, just go for it. Okay, चलो bye.